What is going on, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are picking up a brand new hotshot truck. So as you can see, the shop's pretty full. There's the new work truck, 2017 Ford F-250 6.7 Power Stroke, King Ranch. Um, she's pretty clean. But yeah. We decided to keep the Dodge as a work truck. I mean, just look at this thing. Who the heck wants to sell something that looks that good? Then we just got the good old work truck back here. Service truck. Compressors and stuff. But, so we are picking up a new hotshot truck. So, let's take the flat deck. Don't mind my back stairs. There we go. Oh shoot, no, we didn't have the garage yet. Now yeah, let's go pick up this new truck. So I believe we're going for two, or maybe like, I think 10 grand for it. Rusted pieces. The frame is a complete piece of crap. Has a different bed. The front end is completely toast. Needs a new differential, everything like that. So that's gonna be a new. Yo, what the flip? What is wrong with you? But here's that place, and yeah, as you can see, there's the truck. They're asking 15 grand for this thing. Let's look at this thing. I'm just gonna look at this thing. Oh dang, that's rusted. Alright, well, we'll have to rebuild her, but I feel like we're gonna buy her, so we'll get the truck lined up there. The motor's a little bit blown in it, so yeah, that's gonna be exciting. Safest thing to do. Alright, let's go ahead and get this thing up on here. Oh wow, that thing literally just climbed up. Alright, she's on. Evidently the motor did start, so yeah. Oh shoot, I just drove right into the ditch. Oh, come on Ford. Oh yeah, look at that, baby! Wrong side of the road. speed limit on the straight. I don't see any speed limit signs, so evidently it's nothing, so. Alright, we're just pulling back up to the shop here. Oh yeah, we also got a couple things in the garage. Got the top kick. Looking to sell this off. And we got the Mustang. We're on the paint shop. So let's go ahead back to this baby in here. And we'll get to work on it. Alright, y'all. We will see you when she's done. Alrighty, y'all. She is done. She is looking amazing. The boys did a huge job on this truck. So it looks like we got lots of chromed it out. Got the JF Customs paint job on it. Even the console sticker has the uh, JF Customs Team Ranch color. Look at that. But we got some tools on here that look amazing. Of course, we come and swapped it. But let's go ahead and take a look. Look at that. Alright. Look at this interior. Look how much better we think it is. We got brand new bed. We're getting on there. Let's go ahead and get the old we can throw the hotshot bed on there, but I don't think I'm done. Let's go ahead and park it. That Silverado build right there, that all looking one, we did off camera, but she came out magnificent. I believe we're getting this truck sold, but I could see why we're selling it. And this one might be going, I don't know, we gotta load up the hotshot truck. Actually, it's a good time. Go ahead and put up our new let's put our